How to check and test the touch screen to make sure it is working correctly on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder. Then tap on Members. Next, in the Samsung Members homepage, tap on Diagnostics. Then tap on Phone Diagnostics. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Touch Screen. Now in here, tap on each square and drag your finger across them like this. This will show that the screen is working. If you're running across the screen and one of the box is not highlighted in blue, that means there is a defect in that area. So here I will run across line by line and make sure that there is no defects on the screen. So here you can see the screen is working fine. It shows a normal status. There is no fault on the screen. If for some reason when you touch on certain part of the screen and the screen does not respond, it could mean the app has an issue, not the screen itself. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.